भारत 2030 तक अपनी 50% एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी से पूरी करेगा। भारत अब से लेकर 2030 तक के कुल प्रोजेक्टेड कार्बन एमिशन में 1 बिलियन टन की कमी करेगा। 2030 तक भारत अपनी अर्थव्यवस्था की कार्बन इंटेंसिटी को 45% से भी कम करेगा।
To meet the national goals aimed at climate change mitigation and adaptation and achieving land degradation neutrality, we need to work at scale on degraded lands with a focus on water, agriculture, forests, energy, wastes, and livelihood nexus. India has 2.5% of the world's land area and only 4% of the water resources on which it supports 1.3 billion people. 40% of India's landmass is degraded. It is essential to undertake projects at scale to address habitat degradation and climate change problems, which will not only restore the lands, increase water resources, reduce carbon emissions, but also uplift the local communities and ensure GDP growth. Pune Knowledge Cluster is established by the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India that reports to the PMO office. We, at Pune Knowledge Cluster, aim to achieve national goals by solving local problems. We work in partnership with several reputed stakeholders in science and technology sectors to develop self-sustaining terrestrial ecosystems by restoring degraded lands. Pune Knowledge Clusters projects are implemented on large degraded land parcels averaging more than 1,000 hectares. The project uses watershed development to store 1 million cubic meters of surface water and lead to significant increase in groundwater. Pune Knowledge Cluster uses modern irrigation facilities clubbed with renewable energy to increase vegetation cover. Our uniqueness lies in the use of scientific plantation models based on interactions between species and sustainable use of natural resources. This would not only lead to biodiversity conservation but also sequestration of 2.5 lakh tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. We aim to provide sustainable livelihood to 300 marginalized people and meet raw material requirements of industries by generating 5,000 tons of biomass, thereby ensuring long-term socio-economic sustainability.
जर झाडं वाढली, आपल्या पाणी आडल्याने त्या झाडांना पाणी भेटेल, जे पक्षी आहेत त्यांना पाणी भेटेल आणि जो पाला पडेल भविष्यात जाऊन जो पाला होईल हिरवा पाला, तो पाल्यापासून आपण ऊर्जा निर्मिती पण करू शकतो भविष्यात. काही समजा आज आपण 2023 मध्ये, पण येत्या काळात 10-20 वर्षानंतर ही झाडं आपल्याला पाला देऊन काय ऊर्जा निर्मिती करण्याचं एक साधन देऊ शकते आपल्याला.
These initiatives will contribute towards 13 goals and 52 targets of Sustainable Development Goals, 9 Aichi biodiversity targets, and 5 nationally determined contribution of India under the Paris Agreement. Come, join us in making a difference and enabling India to become self-sufficient and self-reliant.